Good morning. Hello, everyone. All five of us. No, there's a few more people out there sharing songs. It's been, I will say, it's been nice to get uh, comments from others who are making music in their own way and appreciating each other in this format or finding each other. No matter what stage we find ourselves in the musical journey, there's many people out there who've been playing a lot longer than I have, and they've been very gracious to give me some nice feedback. So thank you for that. Yeah, it's a foggy day in Seattle. I think it's going to clear. I have been deep in a process with a song that feels a little heavy, but important. A friend of mine, a musician and beautiful human being who has been bringing in sacred chants and writing songs about it, and came over the other day and showed me some open tuning. The novice that I am, I got some open tuning advice, and there was an open tuning, a D open tuning that sounds very Celtic. And as I started to play around with it, I realized that that I had some Celtic energy that was coming through, kind of a wailing, almost apocalyptic kind of, hey, let's get ready for what's coming. And I could feel it. I've been feeling it for a long time, and I'm certainly feeling it right now. And it came through in this song. And the feeling is that we are facing a fairly significant wave of disruptive energy coming in that's challenging all of us, our nervous systems, our emotional bodies, our mental bodies, what we've held as beliefs for a long time. And in feeling that, and I found myself wanting to express something about it, and the song started coming through. So it's called An Opening Sign, and I'm going to see where this can go. I think I'd like to collaborate with some folks on it. I think there's some drums that want to be part of it for sure, and maybe some more voices. But for now, it's me and the guitar. So thank you for coming and listening to it. It has the message that's in it. Yeah. We're in a darkening fog. The truth evades and unravels. Structures that hold lose their moorings. Voices that lead lose their minds. We're in a 1,000-foot wave. Follow those innocent creatures along their trail to higher ground. How do we find the courage in time to tend to what's inside before it eats us alive? Take what's yours and I'll take what's mine, and in the cresting canyon we'll find an opening sign written in our own hands. So divine, sung swallows or fears seep up from below. In all the confusion, the future dissolves from behind. The wise surrender their ego. The kind give up the fight. Choose a brand new doorway and welcome in a glistening light. How do we find the courage in time to tend to what's inside before it eats us alive? Take what's yours and I'll take what's mine, and in the cresting canyon we'll find an opening sign written in our own hands. So divine, sung from our own hearts, loved and aligned. Not bad, not bad. I've been practicing that for a long time. Oh yeah, follow those innocent creatures along their trail to higher ground. When a tsunami comes, we look, supposedly, right? I've not been in a tsunami situation, but the creatures, the birds, the animals, they quickly make their way to higher ground. They know, get to safety. Safety is higher ground. Safety for us in this moment as humans is to access higher ground, higher perspective. Keep stepping up your view. Instead of getting caught in the view that looks the most terrifying, step up a bit, a notch or several, and look down from that place, and it will seem less terrifying and more expansive, for sure. And it requires that, we have to tend to this. This is what's creating the wave, is our own internal turmoil. So as we get calmer, as we find that, process through that internal turmoil and find something, a new way of seeing something that is calming, we have a way forward. So some suggestions for the month of March sending them to me first and foremost, and now I'm sending them out into the ether to people who I love, which is everyone, really. Everyone. So much love to you all. Be well. See you soon.